Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, starter type, motor generator, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, traction control, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.